area of triangle, area of triangle formula is given half into base into height. That's the area of triangle formula. Okay, base we know, but there is one important thing. When we say height, the height should be perpendicular height, not any other height. It should be perpendicular height. Basically, half into base into height, which is perpendicular on base, which is perpendicular on base. That kind of height, that kind of height will be used to find area of triangle. Now, for instance, I'm not having a perpendicular height. I'm not having a perpendicular height. I don't know. I haven't got a perpendicular height. Okay. I have got, this is a non-right angle triangle I have given you guys. Okay. And I'm saying that we don't have got any perpendicular height. This is missing. This is not given to me. Okay. What they have given me, they have given me side A, side B, side C. That is given. They are giving me, they have given me angles. Angle A, angle C, angle B is given. Okay. These are the things given to us, but they are not giving us any perpendicular height. They are not giving us any perpendicular height. Then what should I do? There is a problem. What can I do over here? So now what I can do over here, I know that area equals to half into area of a triangle equals to half into base into height. Area of triangle equals to half into base into height. Okay, and three angles are given and three sides are given. And they are telling us to find the area, but they are not giving us this perpendicular height. What should I do? Either I should find the height, perpendicular height first, and then I will put it over here, and then I will get my answer. Okay, I will get perpendicular height over here, I will plot it over here, and then I will get my answer. So let's find height. This is height. This I need to find. This is given to me. This is given to me. And I have to find this one. So what is this thing? If this is the angle, and you can see a right angle triangle is being made over here. So according to right angle triangle, this will be hypotenuse. According to this will be perpendicular. Okay. This is perpendicular. This is hypotenuse. And perpendicular and hypotenuse are related in only one ratio, which is that one. Hypotenuse perpendicular over hypotenuse equals to sine of A. So what's your perpendicular given? H. What's your hypotenuse given? B equals to sine A. So shifting B over here, this will become H equals to sine A into B. That's the value of H. Now plotting it over here, so area of triangle equals to half into base. What is base given to me? Small c. What is base given to me? Small c. What is height given to me? Sine A into B. When I will write it in simplified form, so area of triangle equals to half into B into C sine A. Okay, so this is a formula. Now, for instance, if someone say, no sir, no, I don't want to find it with this one, I want to find it with this one. Okay, suits me, no problem. How will I do it? Area of triangle equals to half into base into height. Okay, so base, again base will be C, but what is little? Perpendicular height is missing. Okay, so I have to find this perpendicular height. Which angle I am using? This angle. According to this angle, what is this? This will be, this thing is 90 degree, this will be hypotenuse, this will be perpendicular. So sine B equals to perpendicular over hypotenuse. Sine B equals to, what's your perpendicular given? Your perpendicular given is H, and what's your hypotenuse? That's A. So when I will simplify it, this will become A sine B equals to H. Taking this, plotting it over here, so area of triangle equals to half into C into A sine B, or area of triangle equals to half AC sine B. Okay, now half into B into sine A, half into A into B, A into C sine of B. Okay, when side BC was used, angle was A. When side AC was used, angle was B. So what does it mean? It means your new area of triangle formula will be, okay, area of triangle equals to half of product of any two side, half of product of any two side with sine of inclusive angle, with sine of inclusive angle, half of product of any two sides with sine of inclusive angle. Full stop. It is mostly used when perpendicular height is missing. When perpendicular height is missing. Okay.